Hello everyone, I'm Lisa from DKM. What I'm holding in my hand is electric meter box. How is it produced? It is produced by the DKM electric meter box production line, including 650 servo injection molding machine and mold. The electric meter box is made of flame retardant materials, which are not very fluid in the molten state. So the requirements for the injection unit of the injection molding machines are relatively high. DKM servo energy-saving injection molding machine can achieve the quick injection by high response, high speed, high precision, and high energy-saving injection molding characteristics. Now we are testing the production of 3 electric meter box buttons and 2 electric meter box covers. The molding cycle are 50 seconds and 40 seconds respectively. We use 70% PC and 20% ABS, 10% GF and UV flame retardant material, which results in a glossy appearance with no impurities or flashes. DKM has rich experience and skilled technology in injection molding equipment of electric meter box. Welcome your inquiry. DKM, discover key of molding.